Girl, can I be brutally honest for a second? When a guy acts cold or pulls back, it doesn't mean he's done. It usually means you haven't hit that emotional switch in his mind. Here's the reality check. Almost every woman panics. They analyze emojis, rewrite messages, and chase his attention. Guess what? It pushes him even further away. I did the same and lost some great men. But recently, I found something that flipped the script. It's called his secret obsession. This guide breaks down the emotional triggers that draw a man to you. It teaches you what makes him feel safe and cherished. And the results? Wow. Want him to text first? Want him to chase you again? Or be the woman he can't live without? This guide is eye-opening. Thousands of women have transformed their relationships with it. And the best part? It's super easy to follow. Just tap the link in the description or in the channel bio. Watch the full presentation. It might change everything for you. Don't wait. Your heart deserves clarity, not confusion.